What's going on, my friends? Cool Andy here, and it's time to clean the beast, my beautiful fat boy 2021. I love this motorcycle, so beautiful, and I'm gonna wash it, and I want to share with you guys a couple of tips. And one is I always put a grocery bag on top of my baggie here. Yeah, I know it's leather, but you don't want to get it wet for no reason, so I always cover it up. And then you see these rings here, this beautiful solid ring that now the model has it. Now from the latest model has it. Only this 2021 Fat Boy model has the solid ring, like the original one. This one they get dirty here. You see where it's like a indentation there. They get the dirt there, and it gets really sticky. So you have to get a brush and going like this in each one and each side, and it's kind of takes more time. And I find out that with my pressure cleaner, it goes off really well. It leaves the ring like brand new. You just gotta be careful. Don't put the pressure cleaner the nose so close there, so you don't want to damage anything. But I kind of keep it like around 4-6 inches, and it does a tremendous work, and it leaves it like so clean, like you see. And all these little ways here that I put to balance the tire, the rings and the tire, there also gets really a lot of dirt. So with the pressure cleaner, does a great job. And I do the whole motorcycle with the pressure cleaner. I don't put the nose so close to the paint. I just keep it when I get to do any other part of the motorcycle. I keep it more far away. But I would never go back to wash it with a normal hose like that with the pressure of the hose. I think that the pressure cleaner does a tremendous job. And yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys how I do it, and I hope you like my video. If you're not subscribed to my channel and follow me. I always posting different types of videos. So here we go. Enjoy the video.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer. Yes, I am happy on this island. Wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave.
Another tip that I'm gonna give to you guys is use a blower when you first gonna start drying it, because this is gonna help you to run the water out from the motorcycle, like push it around, especially where you have holes and cracks. So this is gonna help you to get the water out, and it's gonna be faster. You're gonna do it faster. You're gonna get it done faster. Then you can use a map or something to finish it. One tip that I give you: always put your finger in front of the end of the blower, so you don't by accident you not scratch your motorcycle, okay? So you have like a guiding. Where to do it. You don't want to go fast, like this. Brand new motorcycle, and then you're gonna do it one more time. You get it on, and you know this is break it down. And there you got it, my friends. That's how cool Andy was his motorcycle, the Beast. And I just want to show you the end result, so you can see close up. You can see how she's shining now with all the beautiful chrome, the beautiful solid rings, my beautiful solid rotor. Now the bad quality rotor I come with, you gotta replace those rotors. You gotta get solid rotors, and your motorcycle is gonna be totally different, and you're not gonna have any noise, a clinking noise when you brake or nothing. I suggest you to get replace your rotors. For doesn't have to be exactly model that I have. You can put something else, but change those rotors that they call it floating rotor. Change it to solid rotors, and you're gonna see the difference. And look at how this motorcycle is ready to go, ready for the ride. Look at those solid rings, my friends. Beautiful, beautiful. The pressure cleaner does a tremendous job. Like I said to you guys before, it makes a big difference, especially when you have a motorcycle with so much chrome and those solid rings. Yeah, the pressure cleaner makes a big difference. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Signing off. GG.